Jakarta is facing a water shortage. The shortage of water for the majority of the city's inhabitants is the primary cause of its sinking. Because the city receives 300 days of rainfall annually and is traversed by 13 rivers, it has a plenty of fresh water. This water is not protected due to the transformation of former marshlands and mangroves into commercial malls, offices, and residences. People must use aquavar water since piped water is unreliable, irregular, and expensive. This underground water is collected through the use of pumps. The longer water is extracted, the less water remains, which causes the soil to contract and sink. However, experts think that aquifers are often recharged spontaneously whenever it rains. Hence, a solution to this would be to implement biopores in modern-day houses. Biopores are soil voids resulting from biological activity. Biopore diameters ranging from 30 nanometers, like those formed by incarnates or root hairs, to greater than 5 millimeters. Biopores are tubular, continuous pores generated by plant roots and soil creatures that dig, such as earthworms. The biopore infiltration hole is a replication of the biopore idea. Typically, the biopore infiltration hole is a cylindrical hole in the soil that is covered with plastic tubing. Typically, biopore infiltration holes are 10 centimeters in diameter and 100 centimeters in depth. By augmenting groundwater reserves, flooding may be averted. Biopore infiltration holes may increase the area of infiltration by a factor of 40, facilitating the absorption of precipitation into the soil. As a result, groundwater reserves will rise, reducing both flood and drought hazards. The best material for the creation of these biopores are PVC pipes due to their durable and environmentally friendly nature. This idea was implemented in a residential house in Jakarta by using its front garden. The household was currently experiencing a water shortage as its underground water reserves could not produce high-quality water anymore. Using 11 PVC pipes, each 4 centimeters in diameter and 1 meter in length, 1 centimeter holes were created on each PVC pipe that were 5 centimeters apart from each other. Then, a 1 meter hole was dug around the area of the garden, making sure each biopore was at least 1 meter apart from each other. Since the placement of these biopores, the water quality has increased significantly. The residential household has 2 filters, a general water filter and a pump water filter. The first filter had to be cleaned once every 2 days, while the second filter had to be cleaned once every 2 weeks due to the buildup of unwanted contaminants. However, since the placement of these biopores, the household has been able to collect sufficient rainwater and has not had to clean the 2 water filters in over a year. We can assume that the rainwater collected from the biopores is transferred to the underground water supply, and there is a correlation between the biopores and the improvement of water quality. However, further research is needed to test this hypothesis, as we did not perform the same methodology for more than 3 times in 3 different locations due to time constraints and a limited budget. Thank you for listening.